In this video, I'll show you how to install a software update on your Mac. If this helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. Our first step is to click on the Apple icon right here on the left. Then you will select System Settings, and as you can see, I have one update available. Then you will select General, and then you will click on Software Update. Here your Mac is going to show you all the available software updates that you have for your computer. So I have this one right now, is the macOS Sequia, and I'm going to click on Update Now. Apple is going to show you all the terms and conditions. You just need to scroll to the bottom and click on Agree. Then your Mac will ask you for your computer password. After you put it, you just click OK, and your computer will automatically start updating. Hope that helps.